Hello, hello, good morning, children. Our lesson for today is about rounding numbers to the nearest thousand and 10,000. Of course, with me, Mama Rita. Before we start our lesson, let us put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord. We thank you this day as we begin the class, praising you and always be reminded that all these are in your name. Guide us in our lesson and open our hearts to enable us to follow your will. Amen. Okay, class, show me the expanded value of the following numbers. For number 1, 36,786. Show me your expanded value using your wheel of expanded value. Okay? Okay, correct. We have 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 6. How about number 2? 123,405. Can you show me the expanded value? Correct. We have 100,000 plus 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 and plus 5. Let's go to the next one. Number 3, 208,124. Can you expand the value? Of course. By doing this is 200,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 4. Very good, class. Now, let's go to the fourth one. 344,897. Again, 344,897. Can we expand the value? Of course. And the answer is 300,000 plus 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 800 plus 90 and plus 7. Okay, the last one is 232,123. Can we expand the value? Of course, let's do this. 200,000 plus 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 20 and plus 3. Very good, class. Children, let us help Jason round each number on the balloons by rounding each number to the nearest hundreds. Number 1, 2,524. The rounding number is 5 and next to it is 2. Is it round up or round down? Very good. It's round down because the next digit is less than 5. So the final answer now is 2,500. Let's go to the next balloon. 457. The rounding digit is 4 and next to it is 5. Is it round up? Round down? Fantastic! It's round up because next digit is 5 or more than 5. So what is now our final answer? Correct, it's 500. Now, let's go to the third balloon. 874. The rounding digit is 8. Next to it is 7. Is it round up? Round down? Fantastic, it's round up because the digit next to 8 is 7. It's greater than 5. So the final answer now is 900. Very good. So let's go to the fourth balloon. 917. The rounding digit is 9. Next to it is 1. Is it round up or round down? Fantastic. It's round down because the digit at the right is 1. It's less than 5. So the final answer now is, of course, 900. And then, the last balloon is 1,658. The rounding digit is 6 and next to it is 5. Is it round up or round down? Very good again. It's round up because it is 5 or greater than 5. Now the final answer is 1,700. Fantastic, class. We have now, again, let's help Jason round each number on the balloon. But this time, round each number to the nearest tens. Okay? So for first balloon, 12,456. The rounding digit is 5 and next to it is 6. Is it round up or round down? Correct, it's round up. So the final answer now is 12,460. Next balloon, we have 1,578. The rounding digit is 7 and next to it is 8. Is it round up or round down? Fantastic! It's round up because the digit is higher or bigger than 5. So the final answer now is 1,580. Next, 6,121. The rounding digit is 2. Next to it is 1. Is it round up or round down? Very good. So it's round down because the digit at the right is less than 5. So the final answer now is 6,120. Next balloon, we have 2,910. The rounding digit is 1 and next to it is 0. What will happen? Is it round up or round down? Very good. It's round down because the next digit is less than 5. So, the final answer is 2,910. The last balloon will be 3,711. The digit to be rounded is 1 and next to it is also 1. What will happen? Is it round up or round down? Fantastic! It's round down because the next digit is 1 which is less than 5. So the final answer is 3,710. Fantastic! Let us solve, class, the story problem. So during weekends, Jason helps his family in their balloons and party needs store. He counts and checks the inflated balloons based on the order of the customer before the delivery. At the end of the week, the store delivered 15,678 balloons. About how many thousand balloons were delivered? So, who helps his family? Of course, Jason. Now, what is asked in the problem? Okay, about how many thousand balloons were delivered? So, meaning about how many, we will estimate how many balloons were delivered from 15,678 balloons. Are you ready now? Okay, let's go! Now, rounding is the process of finding the nearest value to a certain number. That is estimating. Okay? So now, from 15,678, I have here linear, which is from 15,000 up to 16,000. Now, my question is, in which two numbers is nearer or closer to 15,678? Is it 15,000 or 16,000? Good observation, class. It's 16,000. It's nearer or closer to 15,678. Therefore, about 16,000 balloons were delivered. Okay, class, we can also find the question about how many thousand balloons were delivered. 15,678 is closer to 16,000. We can say that 15,678 becomes 16,000 when rounded to the nearest thousand. Hence, about 16,000 balloons were delivered at the end of the week. Okay, class. We can also round off numbers using the following steps. Step number 1. Identify the digit in the rounding place. It is called rounding digit, which is 5, the thousand place. Identify the digit to the right of the rounding place, which is 6 at the right. First, if the digit to the right of the rounding place is less than 5, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, round the number down by leaving the rounding digit the same. Then change all the digits to the right of the rounding digit to zeros. And if the digit to the right of the rounding place is 5 or greater than 5, which is 6, 7, 8, and 9, round the number up by adding 1 to the rounding digit. Then change all digits to the right of the rounding digit to 0. Did you get it? Meaning, class, 15,678, the rounding digit is 5. And then 6 is next to it. So, we will add 1 from the rounding digit 5. Since 6 is belong to 5 to 9 groups of numbers. Just add 1. Okay, so 15,678 becomes 16,000 by rounding the digit in thousands place. Let us try to round the nearest 1,000 and 10,000 place by the given numbers. Let us proceed from number 1. 93,856. So the thousands place here is 3. And beside 3 is 8. Is it greater than 5 or less than 5? Of course, greater than 5. So we will round up the number. So what we are going to do with the number 3? We're going to add 1. So now, what is our final answer in number 1? Thousands place. Very good. It's 94,000. Let's go to the number 2. 36,410. What is the rounding digit? The rounding digit is 6. And then beside 6 is 4. So is it less than or greater than 5? Of course, less than 5. So we are going to round down. And we won't change the number 6, the rounding digit. And it will result to 36,000. Next, number 3, 20,917. The rounding digit is 0 and beside is 9. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5? Of course, greater than 5. So we are going to round up and we will add 1 from 0. So the final answer now is 21,000. Very good, class. Now, let's go to number 4. 42,739. The rounding digit is 2. And beside 2 is 7. So now, is it 7 less than or greater than 5? Of course, greater than 5. So we are going to round up the number. So from 2, we will add 1. And then, the final answer is 43,000. Next, from 81,357, the rounding digit is 1 and beside is 3. So is it less than or greater than 5? Of course, less than 5. So we will round down the number. And we will not going to change 1. So the final answer is 81,000. Okay. Hope you understand the thousands place. Now, we were going to 10,000 place. For number 1 again, 93,857, the rounding digit is 9, beside is 3. Is it 3 less than or equal to or greater than 5? Of course, less than 5. So we will round down the digit and we will not going to change 9. So the final answer is 90,000. Okay. Next, number 2, 36,410. The 10,000 place is 3 and beside is 6. Is it greater than or less than 5? Of course, greater than 5. So we will round up the digit. And what will happen to 3? We will add 1 from 3. So the final answer is 40,000. Okay. Next, number 3. 20,917. The rounding digit is 2. And beside 2 is 20. Is it less than or greater than 5? Of course, less than 5. So we are going to round down the digit. And we will not going to change 2. So the final answer is 20,000. Next, number 4. 42,739. The rounding digit is 4 and beside is 2. Is it 2 less than or greater than 5? Of course, less than 5. So we will round down the digit. Okay, we will not change 4. So the final answer is 40,000. Okay? Last number from 10,000 place is 8. And beside 8 is 1. Is it less than or greater than 5? Of course, it's less than 5. So we will going to round down the digit. And we will not change the digit 8. So the final answer is 80,000. Did you understand, class? Hope so. Okay, very good, class. For your asynchronous class, so from numbers 1 to 3, round Jason's number to the nearest 1,000 and copy the correct number from the arrow. And for number 4 and 5, this time round the digit or numbers to the nearest 10,000 and then copy the correct number from the arrow. Just turn in your work to our Google Classroom. That's all for today, class. See you again next time. Thank you very much and have a good day.